Hi there, students. Metamorphosis. A metamorphosis, a noun. To metamorphose, the verb. Okay, a metamorphosis is a complete change. Let's see, this word actually comes from biology. You have a caterpillar, and the caterpillar is crawling on a leaf, and then it becomes a pupa with a hard shell, and then it metamorphoses into a butterfly. So to metamorphose, to change completely, the caterpillar metamorphoses into the butterfly, and this is metamorphosis. But we can use this for any radical change. The television station has a new owner, and it has undergone a complete metamorphosis. In biology, you could also use this metamorphosis for frogs, for example. You have an egg which converts into a tadpole, which metamorphoses into a frog. Okay, so metamorphosis, it's talking about complete change of character, complete change of appearance, complete change of condition. So the sweet little boy that I knew when he was young had metamorphosed into a 2 meter, 100 kilo man. Okay, so to metamorphose, to change into a process of metamorphosis where something has transformed as if by magic, as if by that a magician had done it. And this is talking about a very marked change in appearance, a marked change in character, a very significant change. So under the new owner, the company had completely metamorphosed. A politician that metamorphosed from a staunch conservative into a strong left-wing supporter. The metamorphosis. I'm wondering about Anthony Wedgwood Benn. I think he was extreme left, but he then metamorphosed into the SDLP, or the Liberal Democrat. So it's a conversion, a transformation. So it's a complete transformation into one thing into another. This is to do with the development. This is particularly in insects. Okay, and let's see. This comes from ancient Greek. Meta, after, and morphe, form. So the metamorphose from one form to an after form, to a different form. And this is the idea of metamorphosis, a marked change of the way something works, a marked change in the way that something looks. It's very different. Let's see, there's a book called The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, in which a young man who's a salesman wakes up one morning to discover that he's been metamorphosed into a giant insect. Okay, so The Metamorphosis, this is quite a famous book. I would strongly recommend it. It's only a short story. So it's talking about complete change. It's talking about becoming something different. The political party has metamorphosed into another political party like any other. Let's see, a lycanthropy, a werewolf, metamorphoses from a human into a wolf. The company has gone through a series of metamorphoses, or metamorphoses. big changes from one thing into another, conversions from one thing to another. The shop has metamorphosed from an old-fashioned shop into a hyper-modern place of business. So a person or a thing that undergoes metamorphosis, transformation, conversion, complete change. So a butterfly is the result of the metamorphosis of a caterpillar. It can take quite a time to metamorphose from a teacher to a university lecturer. She had undergone an amazing metamorphosis from an awkward schoolgirl to a beautiful woman. The story about the ugly duckling that metamorphosed from an ugly little duckling into a beautiful swan. Okay, so metamorphosis, change, and that's what it's talking about. To metamorphose, I think I would give this a 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So to metamorphose, metamorphosis.